horse. Carnivore? Huh? No, herbivore, late Cretaceous. See that distinctive dome skull? 9 inches of solid bone. Now careful. See, the Pachy's neck attaches at the bottom of its skull instead of the back of its head is with reptiles. But when it lowers its head, its neck lines up directly with its backbone, which is perfect for absorbing impact.
Snag up flytops on the loose, just about to cross your path. Get into the outrigger. You're closing in on a coronet.
Say that again, woman. A what?
The one with the big red horn, the pompadour. Elbert.
Take me out, Calder.